You sit down to work. You blink. It's been 3 hours. You've done nothing. Not because you're lazy, because nobody taught you how to actually work. Today, that changes. Setup. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what actually moves the needle at the right time with full attention. I'm going to give you a simple 5-part system. No fluff, no 47-step routine, just what actually works, backed by research. Step 1. Plan the night before. Every productive day is one the night before. Before you sleep, write down your top 3 tasks for tomorrow. Not 10, not a full list, just 3. Your brain will actually begin processing them overnight. When you wake up, you already have direction. Without this, your mornings are just reaction. You're letting everyone else set your priorities. Use a physical notebook. Research shows handwriting improves task retention by 29% versus digital. Step 2. Time block, like a pro. Stop working from a to-do list. Start working from a schedule. Time blocking means assigning every task a specific slot in your day, like meetings, but with yourself. Deep work from 9 to 11, email at 12, admin at 4. The difference? A to-do list tells you what to do. A time block tells you when, and when is where most people fall apart. Block 90-minute deep work windows. That's the natural length of your brain's ultradian rhythm. Stay with me. Step 3 is where most productivity advice gets it completely wrong. Step 3. Eliminate decisions, not energy. Decision fatigue is real. Every choice you make, what to eat, what to wear, what to work on next, drains your mental energy. The fix isn't working harder, it's making fewer decisions. Lay out your clothes the night before. Meal prep on Sundays. Create a default schedule so you never have to decide what comes next. Save your brain power for the work that actually matters. Obama and Zuckerberg famously wore the same outfits daily for this exact reason. Quick, if this is already making sense, hit like. It takes half a second and helps this video reach people who actually need it. Let's keep going. Step 4. Guard your first 90 minutes. The first 90 minutes of your day are your most cognitively powerful. Cortisol peaks at wake-up. Your brain is freshest. Distractions haven't piled up yet. Most people waste this window on Instagram, emails, YouTube. Protect it like it's the most valuable thing you own, because it is. No phone, no social media, one important task only. Do this for 2 weeks, and the compound effect will genuinely surprise you. Step 5. The shutdown ritual. Here's the one most people skip: ending your day on purpose. A shutdown ritual signals to your brain that work is done. This matters because without a clear ending, your brain stays in open loop mode, constantly cycling through unfinished tasks, killing your rest and recovery. End every workday the same way. Review what you did, write tomorrow's top 3, say out loud, "Shutdown complete." Sounds weird, works incredibly well. Cal Newport, author of Deep Work, has used this ritual for over a decade. Recap: 5 steps. Let's run them back fast. 1. Plan your top 3 the night before. 2. Time block. Don't just list. 3. Eliminate decisions before your day starts. 4. Guard your first 90 minutes like your life depends on it. 5. End with a shutdown ritual. That's it. Simple enough to start today, powerful enough to change everything. If you're starting this system today, drop a check mark in the comments and watch this video next. It goes even deeper on building focus that actually sticks. Subscribe if you want more of this. See you in the next one.